Ooh, yeah, right. Welcome to another video, and as I always say, building back home is not easy. But as I promised in my last video, today I'm going to show you a one-bedroom apartment. Now, all the blocks that we have, all the buildings that we have here are semi-detached. So if I show you one here, exactly the same on the other side as a semi-detached. Now, one thing before we go into a one-bedroom apartment, you would see that they are doing beam filling. Now, the reason why we've left the front is because we had massive windows which we got rid of, and so they will finish it up with brickwork. And of course, we have these canopies that were being poured. But hey, so come with me and I will show you after this. China. Fantastic, and I thought, why not jump onto this idea? Now listen to this and let's just start building.
You could say that everyone can do it and not just
about 100 mil. Now, if you look at that, that's more or less like a slab in itself.
I was chilling with the girls who was up for a night out. Yeah. So you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey. Looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relationships.
Welcome back. Now, if we haven't met, my name is Kelvin Piri and you are watching Building Dreams in Africa. I am right now in Zambia on our project in Vona Valley. So what I'm going to say is if you find the content on this channel quite helpful, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe. And as I said in the intro, today I am going to show you a one-bedroom apartment, the design. Now, I think, you tell me what you think. I think they're great. All right, come with me. So, right, as you walk inside, you have the canopy right here. You have a canopy that's being casted there. And of course, you've got the hallway. Now, in here, we will have a kitchen here, which obviously is, as you get into the flat, you will have a kitchen here. You can put your fridge here, so, and there will be microwaves here. So this place here is our living room. Obviously, it will have all the TV points and all that. Massive window there with plenty of natural light, and of course another one here. So this could be your lounge. It is your lounge. They could actually have a small dining table here. Now, remember, this is a one-bedroom apartment. Now, as you come in here, you go straight here and you have the toilet. If you can come this side. If you have, you will have a toilet here, which will have a shower, toilet, and a wash and basin. And of course, there will be electric points here for shaving or shaver points. The main room this is a one-bedroom house, or one bedroom. This is the main bedroom. And so what you have in here is you will have, as I said, you will have massive sliding doors, which will take you into your private garden. So just like our two bedrooms, there will be a canopy here. And again, as you can see, you have your own private garden without expecting people barging in or disturbing your peace. We've got a massive wall there that kind of separates the two apartments, and then you've got your parking area this side as well. So this area where we have our team working here. So this is a massive area where you can park this flat or this flat, they'll be able to park 2 cars here. Should be able to park 2 cars as well. It's the same principle even on the other side, and we have plenty of parking space here. So this is going to have massive sliding doors, aluminium doors, and if it's too hot like today, you should be able to open and without worrying about somebody walking past, because obviously this is going to be a nice garden with all the plants and nice seat place where you could sit. So this is what we have here. So this is our 1-bedroom apartment. Now let me know what you think about our design. And again, like I said, if you have you're looking to build something like this, get in touch with me and I'll be able to connect you with the people that are working on this project. We have some great people that are working on this project, very committed and dedicated to helping people in the diaspora build back home. So these guys are starting from the architect, contractors, supervisors, and I think I've shared, probably you've watched one of the videos where I've talked about check the checker. So keep an eye on that. This whole thing is a combination of so many people. Building back home or construction is not a one-man show. It involves so many people. So that's what we have done. That's what we have done to build a team. So now I hope, so what we have here being done is obviously beam filling, and the guys will finish a beam filling, and then of course we can start the plastering, which I am excited to see plastering. We are already talking to suppliers for windows. Obviously, we've talked about the plastering, so the team are going to do the plastering, and and then we'll start whether we're going to finish this project in one go. But I will share the strategy on how we finish now this project onwards. So stick around and keep an eye on the videos that will be coming, because it's all about strategies. It's about how you're going to do it. We have built these flats at a goal, all of them, but are we going to finish them like that? We don't know, because it's very expensive to build. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you do, please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and hey, share, drop me a comment and say, hey Calvin, we like what you're doing, or we hate what you're doing doing in Zambia. So drop me a comment, encourage me, or correct me on something that you've seen that is not right. So until next time, God bless you. I'll see you in the next video. You're tired, huh? Your hand.